Hello everyone. Hello everyone. We are live, guys, and today our intention is to study graphs together. So, by the way, if you're new to this channel, this channel is intended to study together in a live session. It can be in any topic, be it your any government exam preparation, or your placement preparation, or your switch preparation, anything, irrespective of your preparation journey. You are all welcome here. So today I will be just sharing what I'm going to learn today, and you can study along with me. I'll be sharing all the resources as well, which I am following. So, by the way, just to give a brief introduction and background, um, my name is Saddam, and I'm a software engineer. And I just wanted to explore and learn graph algorithms. And to do that, today the sole intention is to solve the problems on DFS and BFS. So we'll be solving together. I'll be just giving you what all these roadmaps or steps, what I am following, and today what I'm going to do. So stay tuned, stay connected, and yeah, let's start. Okay, तो कल के सेशन में हमने पढ़ा था बीएफएस और डीएफएस एल्गोरिथम्स बेसिकली ये कैसे काम करते हैं, कब किसको क्या यूज़ करना है। अगर डीएफएस पूछी जाए तो डीएफएस कब इस्तेमाल करना है, या कोई प्रॉब्लम मिले तो आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करना है कि इसमें बीएफएस लगेगा या डीएफएस लगेगा। तो हमें एक ओवरव्यू कल मिल चुका था, मैंने इतना कल पढ़ा था कि एक ओवरव्यू मिल जाए। आज मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि एक सेट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स लूँ और उसको सॉल्व करूँ। मैंने अभी तक जितना पढ़ा है या जितना आर्टिकल्स रीड किया, बीट ऑन रेडिट, लिंक्डइन, वट एवर प्लेटफॉर्म, what I have understood is कि graph में if you are able to do these two type of traversal, basically this BFS and DFS properly, if you are able to understand the pattern and if you are able to solve it properly, basically traverse through the graph, uh, your foundation will be strong. And in order to make our foundation strong in graph, we will be stressing more on this BFS and DFS. See, there are plenty of algorithms in graph, we all know that, but these two algorithms, these basically are not algorithms, these are basically strategies of how you want to traverse in the graph. So if you are very much clear with these two strategies कि DFS use करना है या BFS use करना है, it will be good. सो हमने देख लिया था कि क्या यूज़ करना है, कैसे यूज़ करना है। आज हम लोग उस पर प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड बाय द वे, अगर आपको ये जानना है कि मैं प्रॉब्लम कहाँ से सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, आई एम सॉल्विंग इट फ्रॉम वेबसाइट कॉल्ड एज लर्न यार्ड। आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट लिंक हियर, जस्ट अ सेकंड। लर्न यार्ड इज हियर। मैंने चैट में शेयर कर दिया ये, आप इसको देख सकते हो। इसके ग्राफ सेक्शन में जाइएगा, यू नीड टू गो टू ग्राफ सेक्शन एंड देन there will be plenty of problems based on the pattern. And as I mentioned in the starting of the video that I'll be going through this DFS and BFS. I'll be solving mainly these type of questions. So yeah, let's start. So the very first question is ki DFS traversal, and this is on naukri.com. देखते हैं, we have We have this that given an undirected disconnected graph. Okay, there will be multiple components. Fine. Given an undirected and disconnected graph g of v comma e, vertices and edges. Fine. The information about graph is given using graph matrix, where ith edge between graph I0 and is traversal. Check. So instead of adjacency list, they have used adjacency matrix to store all this information about this connection of graph, which is fine. I have no worries. I think I did this question yesterday, and here we need to do recursion with visited array. That visited array will be nothing but a boolean array. What we need to do is we will uh, as soon as we go to a node, we will mark it as true. This is visited, and then we will start our DFS. DFS is nothing but we need to go to the neighbor node, all the neighbor nodes, and then again recurse to the same thing. So yep, I guess this is the one. Mhm. Chalo, let's not waste our time in this. Since I've already solved this, I'll be going to the next one. Find if path exists in the graph. Interesting one. By the way, you guys also focus. I'll be on mute now. By the way, guys, currently the time is 10:59, which means approximately 11 o'clock. Uh, I've got a message from a person, guy in hood. आज कौन सा प्रॉब्लम? तो भाई आज प्रॉब्लम ये है कि फाइंड इफ पाथ एग्जिस्ट इन अ ग्राफ. आज मैं इसको सॉल्व करूंगा. मैं आपको एक लीड कोड का इसका लिंक भेज देता हूँ. By the way, thanks for asking. Thanks for joining. I hope you have good time in the stream. By the way, guy in hood, अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप मुझे अपना नाम बता दो. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. बाय द वे, अगर आप लर्नयार्ड से नहीं करना चाहते हो तो एक स्ट्राइवर का A to Z शीट भी है, वहां से भी कर सकते हो. वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. मैं आपको भी उसका भी लिंक दे देता हूँ. आपकी मर्जी है, कहीं से करो, बात बराबर है. कंसेप्ट क्लियर होना चाहिए बस. मैंने वो भी शेयर कर दिया. ठीक है, आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो जो भी आपको चाहिए. ग्राफ के लर्निंग में हो गया है. Guys, I've solved the first problem. That was find if path exists. That was not a very tough problem, but since I'm new to this graph thing, I had to take some help. And yeah, finally I was able to solve that. But it was a good learning. I understood the real world problems, how they come in interviews, or basically how the algorithm works. I understood that it was definitely a good one for me. And now the second question which I am going to solve is keys and rooms. So the question says something like there are n rooms labeled from 0 to n minus 1, and all the rooms are logged except for room 0. Your goal is to visit all the rooms. However, you cannot enter a locked room without having its key. ठीक है, ठीक है. When you visit a room, you may find a set of distinct keys in it. Each keys each key has a number on it, denoting the room it unlocks. ठीक है. You can take all of them with you to. Okay. Mm. So basically, it's very simple. I have been given a adjacency list kind of thing. It is similar to that. कि मेरे पास एक array है. Array में 0 1 2 3 जो होता है, जो उसमें दिया हुआ है कि पहले में अगर आप जाओगे तो उसका जो वैल्यू होगा ना, आप वहां पे जा सकते हो. दूसरे में गए अगर तो दूसरे में जो भी वैल्यू हो, आप वहां पे जा सकते हो. आप वहीं पे जा सकते हो जहाँ पे वैल्यू है, मतलब कि कुल मिला के एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. अब बोल रहा है ऐसा कि क्या आप सारे रूम्स पे जा सकते हो कि नहीं. ठीक बात. अब कैसे वो डिटरमाइन करेंगे कि जा सकते हैं कि नहीं. तो पहला चीज हम लोग ये करेंगे कि हर बार हम लोग जाएंगे काउंट प्लस प्लस कर देंगे. क्या हमारा स्टेप जो है एच के बराबर आ रहा है कि नहीं. शायद शायद आई थिंक कुछ समझा इस प्रॉब्लम को. हालांकि अभी मैं श्योर नहीं कि क्या जो मैंने सोचा है वो सही है कि नहीं. 70% मैं समझ चुका हूँ. 70 क्या 80% समझ चुका हूँ. 20% का कंफ्यूजन है. सिंस आई एम यूजिंग कॉमेट ब्राउजर, तो आई हैव दिस परप्लेक्सिटी प्रो. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ उसमें क्या है. लेट्स ब्रेक द प्रॉब्लम एंड वर्क थ्रू द concept together step by step. एज इट मेंशन कि हाँ डीएफएस बीएफएस यूज कर सकते हो। हाँ मैं भी वही सोच रहा हूँ। I want to solve this using DFS. What should be the approach? ये जैसे मुझे लग रहा था पूरा मतलब पूरा ही डीएफएस है। कुल मिला के ये देखना है कि हम लोग पूरा कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं। जैसे कि अगर एक नोड कोई भी नोड लेता है, अगर वो ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लोर हो चुका है, ठीक है, और हम लोग फिर से उस पे जा रहा है, तो आप फॉल्स रिटर्न कर दो। ये मैं समझ चुका हूँ। थोड़ा और बेहतर तरीके से समझते हैं। इसको हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या पे, आई विल ट्राई टू solve it on pen and paper first, then I will see what can be done. By the way, guys, I said ki we will be taking break at 11:30, I guess. But let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep the momentum going. देखते हैं कब तक होता है। एक शॉट में जितना देर तक बैठ सकता हूँ, आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू सेट एंड स्टे फोकस्ड। क्वेश्चन इज keys rooms 0 से 1 पे गया, तो पहले फॉल्स होगा सब पे। 0 पे गया, 0 पहले ट्रू मार्क किया, फिर 1 पे गया, फिर 1 को ट्रू मार्क किया, 1 पे गया, फिर 2 पे गया, फिर ट्रू मार्क किया, 2 पे, हाँ 2 ऑलरेडी मार्क्ड है, फिर 2 पे गया, फिर ये 3 को बोला, 3 को मार्क कर दो, 2 3 3 कुछ नहीं, ठीक है, सारा ट्रू हो गया, ठीक बात, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। What I feel is कि given an array rooms where rooms I is a set of keys that you can obtain if you visit room 1, ठीक है, return true if you can visit all the rooms, or false, ठीक बात। सही समझ रहा हूँ मैं। इसमें हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या, क्वेश्चन स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, ज़्यादा इसमें कुछ तामझाम नहीं है। ये तो मैं समझ गया कि क्वेश्चन स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, इसमें कुछ है नहीं। एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट दी हुई है, ठीक है। हम लोग को ये देखना है बस कि एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट के हम लोग सारे नोड पे ट्रेवर्स कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं, मेन थिंग है। एक विजिटेड एरे ले लो, ठीक। अगर उस सारे चीज़ों पे, सारे एरेस पे अगर तुमने सही से ट्रेवर्स कर लिया, विच मीन्स गुड। नहीं तो वही दिक्कत है। दिस व्हाट आई एम एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। आई विल सी दैट। keys and rooms, तो if I see, the reason why I'm taking time in this is कि I'm not too much confident in DFS PFS. Yeah, I do understand the algorithm how it works, but having said that, I'm a rookie in graph, so that's the reason why I'm taking time. I'm not able to visualize things properly, or I'm taking time to absorb the question and then think for a solution. So stay tuned for that. For you, J. ठीक है, let's sim go for void DFS. DFS में what will happen? I will have a room. Let's say basically a node, right? Whatever you think, it can be that, and then we will have list. Basically, adjacency list of integers. Then we'll have boolean visited to keep the track. The very first thing which we'll do is visited of room will be true. The very first thing which we'll be doing is give, as soon as we reach a node, we will mark it as true. Then we will start key for So yeah, uh, the solution of this problem is quite simple. What we need to do is we need to just have a simple DFS traversal. Once you do your DFS traversal, very simple, nothing fancy, simple DFS traversal you do. Once you are done with your DFS traversal in the main function, what you need to do is once you are done with your DFS traversal, you need to check your boolean array, basically the visited array. If the visited array contains false, which means any of the node is not visited, then we will be storing false. So if it has false, which means there is some problem, and come out of that. So that's how it goes. So I'll code it out now. So public, if you're watching this in chat, please do comment if you are studying or doing something else. Room, then we need to pass another parameter, that is visited. Guys, if you're online, please comment on the stream. If you feel good, please like the stream so that it will be easy for YouTube to, or it will be easy for the video to reach to the specific audience. We need your support in this. Solved. Where today I solved two problems till now within a span of 44 minutes. Within 44 minutes, we were able to solve two problems, and we not only solved the problem, we did a dry run. We understood the intuition logic behind that. The reason why I'm going into so much detail or depth, The reason is I need clarity in these topics, that is DFS and PFS. Only when I'm clear in these topics, I'll be able to understand all the further algorithms like Khan's algorithm, topological sort, Dijkstra, Kruskal, and whatnot clearly. So it's very important for me to understand or by heart these algorithms. So yeah, that's the thing. Uh, this is done. Let's move on to the next question. I guess the next question is something province or something. Yeah. Number of provinces. Number of provinces. Hmm. Whether I'll be taking a break. मैं 5-7 मिनट का ब्रेक लूंगा अभी. अभी टाइम हो रहा है 11:46. मैं ठीक जुड़ूंगा 11:52 में फिर से. हाँ, और एक क्वेश्चन और हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे, फिर हम लोग रिलैक्स हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. चलिए. Sorry. I just muted my mic. So what I have to do is key. I'll just repeat it again. So in this problem, the problem which I'm going to solve now is number of provinces. So in number of provinces, what the question says is, I'll just read out the question for you, and then it will be easy for you to understand as well. Okay. So what the problem statement says here is, there are n cities. Okay, there are n cities. Some of them are connected, while some of them are not. If city A is connected directly with city B, and city B is connected directly with city C, A to B one side, B to C one side, then city A is connected indirectly with city what C. Now they are giving the definition of province की province होता क्या है, province मतलब क्या. तो province मतलब कि a province is a group of directly or indirectly connected cities and no other cities outside the group basically. And in this now they're saying that you are giving an n cross n matrix. uh, the name of the matrix is connected, where is connected I comma j equals 1. So what they're saying is they are given they're giving one adjacency matrix, and if the matrix contains 1 in any of the place, let's say I is row and j is column, if I and j, if it has 1 as the value, which means it is connected, or else uh, it is connected indirectly. If it's 0, it is indirectly. Now in order to solve this problem, I have approach. I can think of a solution. Not sure whether it's going to work or not, but I am pretty confident that it will work. Since if you notice this, we need to go in a very depth fashion. Depth fashion means we need to go to first node, let's say 1 2 3. So in 1 2 and 3, uh, we need to like go to all the neighbor nodes and explore them. So what I feel is we need to go using DFS. We can solve this using BFS as well, but I'll be using DFS here because that's easy. Less number of lines of code. So I'll be using that. How do we do that? Hmm. Okay. What I'll do is, I will have a boolean array. Okay, I will have a boolean array, and I will check whether matrix of I comma j equals 1 and the node is not visited, then the province will be plus plus. If not, bye bye. So we need to do like this. And in this problem, what I usually do is, first of all I'll just write it on notebook. I'll write the manual code using pen and paper, and then I'll code it out. But this time I just want to try, like I want to code first, then I will be noting down in my notebook. So I'll try that first. So very first thing I'll be doing is I'll create a helper function, public void dfs something. By the way, if you want to solve this problem, I'll put this question link in the chat. Please explore this, and if you want to solve, please go ahead and solve. I'll not yap a lot here, and yeah, I'll be quiet now. One test case passed, another failed. Now I'll have to debug. Okay, return count. Instead, variable boolean will array true. Why? Hmm. This, hmm. Looks like there was a bug. There is a bug still. I need to understand this. Hmm. I made a mistake, very silly mistake. The silly mistake was that I started my indexing from 1, which it should be 0. I got it using ChatGPT actually. Nice. So I guess we are done with the 3 problems today, and I would say it's a good progress from my side. Uh, yep. So tomorrow again we'll be taking the same thing, either Striver sheet or Lanyard sheet. Anything is fine for me. Maybe I'll try to focus only on this Striver sheet. The reason why I'm saying is it has only 14 problems in DFS and BFS, and 14 problems should be enough for me to have a proper rock solid foundation. Uh, the next problem would be connected components in a matrix. Let's see, connected components. Hmm. Okay, how about solving one more problem? What do you say? What do you say? It's already 1 hour 15 minutes, but I'll try that. I'll try that. If I'm able to solve it quickly, fine. If I'm able to see or think about the solution, then it's fine. Or else I will go for sleep. You are given. So, by the way, the question which I'm solving now is count the number of complete components. ठीक है, ठीक है. So you're given an integer n. There is an undirected graph with n vertices numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Well enough, good. You are given a 2D array. Okay. So now it's in UV type. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. 5 5 5 5. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. ठीक है. Uh, 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 okay. What I will do is कि यार I'll create components. I'll put the question in the chat. I will create adjacency list first. Okay, I'm giving the. I have been given this a matrix where it is mentioned which node is connected to what. That is fine. Okay. Hmm. Nice. Nice. Looks like this requires some more understanding. It's not that tough, but again, I'm feeling a bit sleepy. I'm not able to focus more. So, Yeah. Bye. Good night. Again, we'll meet tomorrow with the same thing. We'll start with the same problem, that is count the number of complete components. We'll solve it and then we'll go to the next problems. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Thanks for having you. Bye bye. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and if you like the content, I'll be bringing on the same or different type of content in the same domain. Basically, the study contents. So if you like that, please subscribe this channel so that you can see this channel in your feed very often. It will help me also to grow. It will help me as well to reach the proper right audience. So thanks for watching this. Bye bye. Good night. And yeah, happy Diwali.